Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Cafe Du Chateau French press. Ooh. It comes packaged just like this. Wow, it's humongous. I love it. Alright, I mean it's like pretty hefty. And then it comes with two things. Basically the container and then two filters. So this serving size is a 34-ounce capacity, which provides 8 4-ounce cups per one brew. So you don't have to brew multiple. I mean, it's huge. It's made out of stainless steel, so it won't rust. And this glass is super thick, actually, so it can withstand, boiling water that's get poured into it. And they also have a lifetime guarantee on this product. Basically, just make sure to register it with your warranty, and then whenever and if it ever breaks, they will send you another one for free. Finally, of course, it's also BPA free, like everything should be at this point if it's a good quality product. It's also super easy to clean. So you basically just take these two things apart and then you can just wash this separately and then put it back in there.
French press is one of the safest and cleanest ways to drink coffee. Traditional coffee makers and Keurig machines build up mold with no access to clean yuck.
So how you use it is basically you want to take this out first, and then ground your coffee beans, put them in there, put the boiling water as well. Make sure that this is out first, and then you want to just go ahead and place that. I mean, this is what it looks like with that thing, and then you just put it right there on top of your coffee. And then don't press it quite yet. Wait like 4 minutes, basically brew, and then you press this slowly all the way down, and you can see all the way down until you hit your coffee, and then you can just go ahead and pour through this slot. Voila! And then that's how you make your French press coffee. For more unboxings, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this French press, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.